guys, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, today's gonna be another me trying to replicate a makeup look. The first video kind of went okay, but we're gonna try and redeem ourselves. We're gonna try and push ourselves. Excuse the nails, like a lot of technical difficulties going on, you know, washing plates, doing my hair. But anyway, today we're gonna go for a different look, and I don't really do this look a lot, and I'm gonna do a cut crease, so right here. I don't tend to do this look because it takes a long time and I haven't really perfected myself. I tend to just go the easy route because I feel like there's more to it, but I just dumb it down because I don't know. I really don't know. So yeah, someone sent me this look to do, and that's what I'm gonna do today. So if you want to see how I attempt to replicate the look, keep on watching. Looking at the picture, there seems to be like a reddish brownish theme going on, and that's my type of thing. I love those type of color. I love those type of colors. So for this look, I'm gonna use two palettes. One of them is the Technics palette. I did do a review on this eyeshadow palette, but for some reason it got deleted. So I don't know if I need to repost it because that was like on New Year's and I was just like, Happy New Year, and it's just like, that was a long time ago. So I'm gonna just try and use it in this video. But if you guys do want me to repost that video, let me know so that you guys can see my initial review on this palette. But yeah, this one called Invite Only, and I'm gonna be using the Revolution Reloaded Newtrals 2. And this is my first Revolution palette, and as you can see, well, it still kind of looks okay, but this is my first palette and it's a good palette. But yeah, that's the eyeshadow palettes that we're gonna use. So to begin, I'm gonna try again to use this like product. And yeah, like in the previous video I used the lighter version of it, and it looked really like textured and patchy. So I'm going to try the dark one and hopefully it looks okay. So this is the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Etch. So I have put the cut crease canvas on my eyes, and it looks less textured than before, but it looks really like, I'm not sure if there will be any colour, but let's just go with it for now. To begin, I'm going to use the Revolution Reloaded palette. I'm going to start with this brown colour here. So let's see if we're going to get... Okay, we got some colour. This brown is a really nice brown colour. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this. Guys, please excuse me if you guys keep seeing that I'm looking down because my eyeshadow palette's on my lap. Into the same palette here, I'm going to use that colour, and I'm going to place that above, so above here, because we want to create some sort of, you know. I thought I needed two palettes, but I realised that I actually need three. And the third one I'm going to use is the Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division. So I'm going to use this palette to get the dark brown because the others don't really have a dark enough brown. So I will be using this brown here to create the look before I cut the crease. So I've got the brown, and I am going to place this like there. I'm going to go back with the first brown here just to diffuse everything. Now that we kind of got this thing going on, we're gonna cut the crease. Last time I did a silly mistake to like literally apply it with the brush, even though the brush is made like to use straight away, but that caused a lot of mess and it ruined my thing. I'm going to use like a small flat brush to do that. And also another thing that I tend to do, I tend to just follow my eyelid and just do that, but no, we're gonna try to bring that crease up a bit. So what I'm gonna do, so I'm going to like put some colour on my lash and then look down and then look up like that, and then apparently my crease is meant to stop up there. There is the crease. Okay, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but cut the crease and this is what it looks like. I don't know what to think, but we're gonna carry on anyway. I need a dark red, so I'm gonna get that dark red from the Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette, and I'm gonna use this one. This one is the darkest red there, and place that in the outer part of the cut crease. I'm gonna go back to the Reloaded Iconic Division palette and I'm gonna go back into this brown color here. Look how pigmented this is, guys. And I'm sure that I bought these Revolution palettes for £4, but you know. I'm gonna place the brown in the actual like here, because I don't have a dark red, but let's just try and make, in person it looks better, but this is the best I can do, guys. So I've tried to make it darker. So now I'm gonna use the Technic palette and I'm gonna use this red color here. These palettes are very, very pigmented, but annoyingly the nude shades like here, they're not really like black skin friendly, so that is something to watch out for. But the glitters and the reds and the shimmers, top notch, top notch. I'm going to put that. Okay, so now that I've done that, I need to try and fade out that red, and I'm gonna use this color here to do that. Pat that here and try to create that gradient. And then lastly, we're gonna go for the white, and that's going to go in the inner corner. Hopefully the white is a good white, but yeah. Gonna place that. Okay, guys, I'm quite gassed. I'm so gassed with this. So to end it, I think I'm gonna go back in with the brown from this palette, and that's just to a little bit. I don't want to smudge, but, and then back with this color. And that is going to go at the very top because we want. So far I'm really liking how it turned out, but I need to try and remember how I got here and do it to the other eye. And then, yeah, I'll finish my face and then we're going to see how the rest looks. But so far, this was so much better than last week. But anyways, let me just do the whole face and then I'll be back. Guys, this is the finished look and oh my god. I did it. I actually did it. Like, I don't think you guys understand how gassed I am because this actually looks like the picture. This is a very good replication and I'm so gassed. Like, I'm actually proud of myself. So guys, give a round of applause for me because I managed to make a good makeup look. Like, I managed to replicate this makeup look really good. And for someone who's not a makeup artist but has an eye for detail, I think this is a 10 out of 10. Like, this is a 10 out of 10. So I think this is the end of the video. There's nothing that I did wrong here. Just lessons I took from the first go, and hopefully the next replications I'm going to do are going to get better and better. So comment down below what you think, and remember to send me your suggestions of what makeup looks I should do. But for this video, that is the end, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.